Let's have a look at the topic of acids, bases, and salts. We're going to start off with naming some acids and their formulas, and also some alkalis as well, which fall under the umbrella term of bases. Can you actually name some acids? These are some of the acids that you have probably come across during your GCSE course. Hydrochloric acid is the most popular one. You should be able to by now write the formula of hydrochloric acid. So please just have it in your mind before I write down the answer. It is HCl. And if you got this correct, well done. Just ensure that your L is lowercase. You should also be able to recall the formula of sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Nitric acid is probably not commonly used within your lab, but you might have used it a couple of times, and the formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Phosphoric acid is the one that you have rarely come across, so you don't necessarily need to know the formula of it, but the formula of it is, you also should be able to recall the formula of ethanoic acid, and it goes something along the lines of CH3COOH. Here are our acids: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, and ethanoic acid. What do you notice is the common factor between all of these? If you had said that they all contain a hydrogen, that would be correct, and that is what gives them the acid property. So an acid is essentially something that contains a hydrogen ion, so therefore it can be donated. So this contains a hydrogen ion. This, if acids contain hydrogen ions, what about our alkalis? And can we actually name some alkalis? So some examples are magnesium hydroxide. You should be able to deduce the formula of magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium ion is a 2 plus ion, and a hydroxide ion is a minus ion. So it's MgOH in brackets 2. And these are just some of your alkalis. Again, what do you notice about the common denominator between each of these three alkalis? We had said that it contains a hydroxide ion. That would be correct. This one contains 2, 1, and 1. So alkalis are associated with hydroxide ions, whereas acids are associated with containing hydrogen ions. And your acids and your alkalis, they will dissolve in water and they will dissociate into their respective ions.